If you're a credit repair business owner and you're thinking about hiring a marketing team or a marketing agency, I'm going to share with you the main question you should ask before you sign that contract. That main question is, where the are these leads coming from? What's the messaging that's attracting these leads? The reason you want to ask these two questions is, number one is you want to know what are they seeing before they get in contact with you, right? For example, if they're seeing an ad on social media that says something like cheap credit repair, click here or some shit like that, then you got to expect that whoever you're going to talk to, they're going to be horrible clients. They're going to be people that are going to lowball you. They're going to be people that's not going to actually complete the process. But if the company that you're working with has an ad and you're getting the leads to qualify and apply in a book appointment to talk to you, 9 times out of 10, they're going to be better leads. But I want you to click the link in my bio and join the 5-day high-ticket credit repair sales challenge, where we're going to teach you how to generate leads, how to sell, and we're going to teach you how to do this on autopilot so that you don't have to work in the business, you work on the business.